In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your chats in Google Gemini. So if you want to clear your history for privacy, or you just want to clean things up and start fresh, here's how. Open your Gemini, and if you don't see this sidebar, you just want to click on this Gemini icon to open it. You should find activity button. So you want to open this, or you can just go to myactivity.google.com/product/Gemini. And here, if you scroll a little bit, you should be able to find all of your chat history. So you can delete it one by one by pressing this X, then confirm deletion, and now one chat was removed. To delete everything, click on this delete button right here. It will ask you for time frame for which you want to delete your chats. So you can choose all time, you can set custom range, you can do last day or last hour. So in my case, I want everything all time. You can see a preview of all of your chats. I'm gonna confirm I want to delete this. Deletion completed. Now if I go back to my Gemini and I refresh the page, you should not see your chats. So yes, it is working. So that's how you can remove all of your chats in Gemini. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.